for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're like us, you dream of extending your indoor comfort right into the beautiful outdoors. And the best place to start? Your deck. Today we're unlocking the secrets to creating the ultimate outdoor deck seating area. We've got designer tips, must-know benefits, and a countdown of the top 10 best ideas using the incredible ideas that are going to completely transform your backyard. Let's dive in. At its core, an outdoor deck seating area is a designated, intentional space on a deck or patio designed for relaxation, entertainment, and social gathering. It moves beyond just having a few chairs and transforms the deck into a true extension of your home's living space. Essentially, it's an outdoor room, a sanctuary where you can sit comfortably, share a meal, or simply unwind and enjoy nature, all while being anchored by the structure and aesthetic of your deck. The best designs use furniture, lighting, and decor to mimic the comfort and style of an indoor living room. The benefits of a well-designed deck seating area are plentiful, starting with significantly increasing your usable living space. A deck suddenly becomes more than just a transition area. It's a fully functional, extra room for the warmer months. This expansion is excellent for entertaining, offering a relaxed, open-air environment perfect for hosting barbecues, evening cocktails, or casual family gatherings. Beyond the functional, there are tremendous wellness benefits. Spending time outdoors has been proven to reduce stress, boost mood, and even improve physical health, and your dedicated seating area makes enjoying that fresh air effortless. Finally, a thoughtfully designed, attractive outdoor area is one of the quickest ways to dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and can provide an excellent return on investment when it comes time to sell, as potential buyers highly value finished outdoor living spaces. Decorating your outdoor deck seating area to look good involves treating it like any other room in your house, but with weather-resistant materials. Start by defining the space with an outdoor rug. This grounds the furniture and immediately makes the area feel cozier and more intentional. Next, layering textures is key. Think plush outdoor cushions and throw pillows in coordinating colors, and a couple of cozy throw blankets for cooler evenings. Don't forget to add functional and ambient lighting. String lights or cafe lights are a classic choice for a magical glow, while lanterns and solar-powered path lights add charm and practicality. Introduce life and color with potted plants and planters. Use varying heights and species to add depth and natural appeal. Finally, remember your focal point, whether it's a stylish coffee table, a dramatic fire pit, or even a stunning view, and arrange your seating to highlight it. These layers turn a simple deck into an inviting, stylish outdoor oasis. Now, before we get to our top 10 ideas, let's look at the foundational pieces. What are the best seating options? First, modular sectional sofas offer maximum seating and incredible flexibility, allowing you to reconfigure the layout for different social events. Second, Adirondack chairs, a timeless, comfortable, and rustic option, perfect for casual lounging and soaking up the sun. Third, built-in bench seating, ideal for maximizing space on smaller decks, as they take up less floor area and often double as deck railings or storage. Fourth, rattan or wicker conversation sets provide a classic, durable, and sophisticated look, typically including 2 chairs, a love seat, and a coffee table. Fifth, teak or wood dining sets, necessary if your deck is intended for alfresco dining, prioritizing durability and a natural aesthetic. Now it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Here are the top 10 best outdoor deck seating area ideas, inspired by wonderful ideas to spark your next design project. 1. Multi-zoned covered deck for luxury entertaining. This luxurious, covered deck features distinct dining and lounging zones, perfect for high-end entertaining. The dark, rich wood floor contrasts beautifully with the black wicker furniture and exposed wood ceiling. Notice the fireplace built into a stone wall in the lounge area, creating an incredible focal point, while the dining area is placed to allow easy service from the grill. This design thrives at night, highlighted by recessed ceiling lights and a simple glass pool barrier, offering a secure yet elegant boundary to the poolside area. 2. Compact modern built-in conversation pit. Ideal for small or urban patios, this built-in L-shaped bench maximizes every inch of space. The clean, modern look is achieved through a gray base structure topped with warm wood seating, contrasting beautifully with the slatted wooden privacy fence above the planting bed. The low-profile design centers around a simple geometric fire pit or grill, creating an intimate conversation area. The use of minimalist, white-striped pillows adds comfort without overwhelming the design. 3. Coastal-inspired whitewashed deck with modern planters. This deck achieves a breezy, coastal aesthetic by using a light gray or white paint finish on the wood, which immediately brightens the space and offers a unique backdrop. The seating is eclectic, mixing modern wicker lounge chairs with rustic wood-framed dining chairs around a glass-top table. Striking red cylindrical planters contrast sharply with the white deck and green hedges, demonstrating how a few bold decor pieces can define the space and add a pop of modern flair. 4. Expansive low-profile deck with integrated perimeter benches. Open deck with built-in railings. This design features a large, open, low-to-the-ground deck built with simple reddish-brown composite material. The primary seating feature is the integrated bench that runs along the perimeter, doubling as a safe, low railing. This concept is perfect for large gatherings where flexible seating is required. The design maintains an open feel, allowing the deck to flow naturally into the surrounding lawn, with steps serving as a smooth transition between the house and yard. 5. Illuminated curved deck with emphasis on step lighting. This idea showcases a meticulously crafted composite deck with a rich, dark brown color palette and elegant curved edges. The real design takeaway here is the subtle but essential integration of low-voltage LED lights into the risers of the steps and the deck posts. This not only dramatically improves safety at night but also creates a sophisticated, multi-layered ambience that highlights the custom shape of the deck. A small bistro set is tucked away, demonstrating the deck's multiple use zones. 6. Tiered deck oasis with dedicated hot tub and fire pit zones. This is the ultimate multifunctional deck, using several tiers and sections to create distinct, dedicated zones. Key features include a raised hot tub area for privacy and easy access, a primary dining area near the house, and a separate lower level reserved for a fire pit lounge. The uniform use of white railings with black balusters provides a cohesive and classic look, ensuring that despite the varied functions, the entire structure looks like one seamless high-end installation. 7. Architectural poolside lounge with modern pergola and linear fire feature. This design screams modern luxury, featuring low-slung, boxy white sectional sofas that contrast against the warm wood decking and sleek pool. The seating is centered on a long linear fire pit integrated into a stacked stone surround. Above, a modern pergola with dark metal framing and parallel wooden slats provides filtered shade, adding a strong architectural element. This arrangement is perfect for creating an upscale, contemporary outdoor living experience. 8. Bohemian built-in bench with layered cushions and vertical garden. This cozy corner shows how to bring personality to built-in seating. The neutral base cushions are layered with an abundance of colorful, patterned, and textured throw pillows, giving the area a warm, bohemian, and highly inviting feel. The surrounding vertical slatted fence is cleverly used to support climbing vines and creeping plants, making the seating area feel nestled within a lush, private garden oasis. 9. Clean lines and low lighting. Modern corner conversation bench. This modern clean line deck features a custom built-in seating unit that seamlessly blends into the deck structure. The low platform design, combined with a neutral color scheme of browns and creams, gives a sophisticated, minimalist look. The integrated cabinet provides essential storage, and the subtle embedded stair lights not only illuminate the steps but also enhance the floating appearance of the deck structure. 10. Dedicated outdoor kitchen and bar seating area. For the ultimate host, this design dedicates the seating area to the cooking and serving process. It features a built-in bar counter, creating a high-top dining or serving area immediately adjacent to a large professional-grade grill. The black woven bar stools and rich wood tones create a highly functional and durable outdoor kitchen space, proving that deck seating areas can be customized entirely for a specific purpose, in this case, the joy of outdoor grilling and dining. Whether you're opting for the intimate built-in comfort, the grand luxury, or the pure functionality, the key takeaway is this: your deck is a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. By incorporating comfortable, intentional seating and thoughtful decor, you can dramatically enhance your lifestyle and create a space you'll be drawn to again and again. It's about designing a space that reflects your style and invites you to slow down and enjoy the great outdoors. Which of these top 10 ideas is inspiring your next project? Let us know in the comments below. If you found the perfect inspiration today, please hit that like button. It helps us bring you more amazing content. And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you never miss our next episode on transforming your home, inside and out. Thank you for watching and happy decorating. We'll see you in the next video.
you.